One sunny morning, Tom the cat woke up to the sound of birds chirping. He stretched and yawned but noticed something unusual. Jerry the mouse was already up. Jerry was cleaning his little mouse house, humming a happy tune. "Jerry, why are you up so early?" Tom asked. Jerry smiled. "It's because I follow my good morning routine. It helps me start my day feeling happy and ready for adventures." Tom scratched his head. "Good morning routine? What's that?" Jerry grinned and said, "Come on, Tom. Let me show you. Step 1, wake up and tidy up." Jerry showed Tom how he made his bed every morning. "It only takes a minute, and it makes my room look neat and nice." Tom tried it. He struggled to tuck the blanket, but soon his bed looked cozy and neat. "Wow, it feels good to have a tidy bed," Tom said, feeling proud. Step 2, brush, brush, brush. Next, Jerry took Tom to the bathroom. "A bright smile makes the day better. Let's brush our teeth." Tom squeezed too much toothpaste at first, but Jerry showed him how to use just a little. They brushed together, singing, "Brush, brush, brush your teeth, make them shiny clean." Tom looked at his sparkling teeth in the mirror. "I should do this every day." Step 3, healthy breakfast. After brushing, Jerry said, "Time for a yummy, healthy breakfast." He prepared a plate of fruits and a glass of milk for himself. Tom looked at his usual breakfast, a plate of leftover fish. Jerry giggled and added some fresh vegetables and a bowl of milk for Tom. Healthy food gives you energy to run and play all day. Tom took a bite. "This is delicious," he said with a big grin. Step 4, exercise and play. Jerry then led Tom outside. "Now it's time to move. Exercise keeps us strong and happy." Jerry ran around, doing little jumps and stretches. Tom chased him, laughing and running. Soon, they were both tired but felt great. Step 5, help others while playing. They saw Spike the dog struggling to carry a heavy box of toys. Jerry said, "Helping others is an important part of a good routine." Tom and Jerry rushed over to help Spike. Together, they carried the box. Spike wagged his tail and said, "Thanks, friends. You're the best." Tom felt warm and happy inside. "Helping feels so good," he said. Step 6, clean up before bed. As the day ended, Jerry reminded Tom, "Before we sleep, let's clean up." They put away their toys and tidied their spaces. Tom even swept the floor with a broom. "Wow, a clean room is so nice," he said, stretching and yawning. "A good routine brings sweet dreams." As they got ready for bed, Jerry said, "Good routines make every day special, Tom." Tom nodded. "I can't wait to wake up tomorrow and do it all again." The two friends fell asleep with big smiles, dreaming of another wonderful day of good habits and fun adventures. The lesson for kids: make your bed every morning. Brush your teeth twice a day. Eat healthy food to stay strong. Exercise and play to feel happy. Help others whenever you can. Clean up before going to bed.